Blizzards.
Blizzard. The
Great.
Great White Holiday in 1088. A business in New York. The sun like a tree dead. It
Caused.
caused a lot of pain. Many people died.
Extreme.
Extreme.
Storms.
The United States has hit
Many.
many
Blizzards.
blizzards.
3.
3,000 make up a blizzard.
Strong.
Strong winds,
Blinding.
blinding snow, and feet cold. Brand of a blizzard. Snow like then melt when air meets cold air.
Clouds.
Clouds flow and the water in them freezes into snow. The
Winds.
winds
Whip.
whip the snow
Through.
through the air. It
Becomes.
becomes hard to see.
Biting.
Riding
Winds.
winds so make air freeze cold, then it's cold.
Wind.
Wind
Chill.
chill.
Wind.
Wind chill most the day long.
Heat.
Heat
Faster.
faster.
Skin.
Skin can bleed.
Country. Blizzard.
Blizzard country. Blizzard can help anyone. This is no. The
East.
east
Coast.
coast of the United States is one
Such.
such
Place.
place.
Sometimes.
Some
Storms.
storms sometimes move up from the
South.
south. When they do, they may run into cold air. Melt down from
Canada.
Canada.
These.
This
Storms.
snow made little of snow. When they do, they may run into cold air moving down
From.
from
Canada.
Canada.
These.
These
Storms.
storms made little of snow.
Another.
Another
Type.
type of storm came from the west.
These.
These don't have first.
They.
They began
strong,
strong winds, and freeze cold. Do not to a heart of snow.
being,
Being
prepared,
and
staying,
staying
safe,
safe. Long ago, people were
surprised,
surprised by
storms,
storm. Today, people work more about winter. They can lose white and
where,
wear rich war
strike,
dry. They can get ready. They can make use they have.
enough,
Enough food and water for last of day. People can
then,
go home and wait out the storm. They can stay full and warm. The
best,
place of being in a
blizzard,
blizzard is inside. In time, the storm will
end,
and that it will be snow to fun to have fun in the snow.